So in the last video, the issue was that we were not able to ask follow-up questions to the AI chatbot we have created. Now the solution for that issue is only in this while loop. So what we are trying to do here, so what we are doing in this line of code, see, I will explain all the new changes we have added. All other changes I have explained in the previous video. So I have added the new change is from here. Now see, we are asking username. May I know your name? We are taking user input with their name, and we are just printing their name and saying please ask your question to stop, type, exit or quit simply. So this is just a color code, don't think of it too much, because you can just Google it and you can find the color code for this. I will just show how it will look now. So this is a while loop, which is a while true loop that will always run. This is a while loop, this is a while true loop. So see, you should know Python if we are doing this. No, you should know a little bit of Python syntax. I would say Python syntax you should know. This is in the Python cause. And what we are doing here now, we were in the previous video, we were just taking user questions directly, but now in this we are taking the user question in the while loop. So in this while loop we are taking user question, asking with the username. We want to allow user to ask the question, and if we are adding a condition here. So what is happening here, if user type exit or quit in this condition, in the both two keywords, if user type anything, we will just break the loop. We will not allow user to ask follow-up questions. Now in the else, we are doing the same thing we were doing in the previous video. We are taking the user input and getting the response and then just printing the response. I will show you how it is working now. So see, what is working now. See, it is asking simple chatbot, may I know your name? I'm saying my name, Namrata. Now see, bot is saying hi Namrata, please ask your question to stop, type, exit or quit. I will ask, what will I ask? Same question. So what is AI? So see, now my name is showing here, whatever I have typed, and the bot is showing, and these are just the color code I have added. So you can just add it anything, you don't need to remember this code, you can just Google it and add here. See, okay, so now let's try to execute this one. If I will type exit, see, it is saying, oh, there is, so see, it broke. So when I type exit, it break the loop, and now it is not allowing me to ask follow-up questions. Yeah, now there is one issue. You tell me what is the issue, and you tell me what is one issue here. Let's try one more thing, See, it was asking my name. I'm asking 1 + 3. It responded. Now I will ask the chatbot to add 5 in the previous response. Let's see. Since we just started a conversation, there isn't a previous response yet. Could you please let me know what would like to add 5 to, for example. So see, it is not remembering the history. So there is this issue we have to fix. So it is allowing us to ask follow-up questions. So it is not remembering the history what we have just asked to it. That we will fix in the next episode. There is one more enhancement we will do in the next video, maybe next to next video. That see, currently all the currently all the conversation currently all the conversation so currently all the chatting is happening in the terminal, but it is not looking like how ChatGPT or Claude looks like in the web page. It should be something more interactive UI. I mean, it should look like some web thing, you know. So that we will add in the next episode maybe. Yeah, until then, subscribe for more such videos, and if you like this, then let me know and subscribe for next episode so you don't miss it.